Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food. My kitchen is under repair, but I'm still making delicious recipes like this Keto Lemon Cream Cheese Coffee Cake. First, we prepare the filling with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Now add 1 egg and make sure it is room temperature, 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener, and half a teaspoon of lemon extract. And beat this mixture together until nice and smooth. And set it aside. In a large bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of almond flour, 2/3 cup of granular sweetener, 1/3 cup of whey protein or egg white protein to help it rise, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Now we will add another 2 teaspoons of lemon zest and whisk all the dry ingredients together. And now for the wet ingredients. We need 3 large eggs, and it doesn't really matter whether these are room temperature or straight out of the fridge. 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure it's not too hot so it doesn't cook your eggs. Then we add 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1/3 cup of water, and we'll whisk that together. Then another half teaspoon of lemon extract and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whisk until smooth. Grease a 9-inch springform pan and line it with parchment, and then add about 2/3 of the cake batter. Then take an offset spatula and spread the batter as evenly in the pan as you can, making sure it gets all the way to the edges. Time to add the filling. Dollop the cream cheese over top of the cake batter, and use your offset spatula to spread it over top evenly. Once you have that nicely spread out, you can take the remaining cake batter and dollop it over top in small spoonfuls. You want the cream cheese filling to peek through a little as you do this. Now it can go into the oven. It bakes at 325 for 30 to 35 minutes. You want the edges to be set, but there should be a little jiggle in the center. Once it comes out of the oven, you can make a nice little drizzle with powdered sweetener and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And that's all there is to it. This delicious lemony coffee cake is perfect for all your spring brunches. Grab a fork and dig in. For this delicious keto cake recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.